for me not giving it a voiceover, no pictures, nothing, I think this is amazing. What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin'? ChatGPT has plugins, right? But the two that I found interesting together was CapCut and Canva. So I put, create a 30-second script about the future of social media and make it into a video, right? And a YouTube thumbnail. So I want to show you what it actually created, which is amazing.
In the next decade, social media will evolve beyond our imagination. Virtual reality will immerse users in new worlds, while AI algorithms will curate personalized experiences. Privacy will take center stage, and decentralized platforms will rise. The boundaries between the digital and real world will blur, redefining how we connect, share, and experience life. The future of social media is bright, and it's just around the corner.
I'm not mad at this. I just said, hey, create a 30-second script about the future of social media. And what it did was give me a link, and please note this may take a minute. Now, the thumbnails, I'm not too excited, right? They give you templates, which could be useful for some. I wanted it to create for me. Out of the two plugins, I actually enjoyed the CapCut one, and we're gonna redo this. I don't want you to think like, Nikki, you created that, but for one, no. Two, I think it's dope. So from a scale to 1 to 10, you let me know. Was this dope or not? The fact that I didn't create anything, the fact that it did this in a few minutes, and it made the visuals and the audio and had captions. So let's try it again, right? Let's try it again. Create a 30-second video about 5 tips for realtors.
Being a successful realtor requires more than just knowing the market. Here are 5 essential tips for realtors. 1. Build strong relationships. Networking is key. Foster relationships with clients, other realtors, and industry professionals. 2. Utilize technology. Embrace digital tools and platforms to showcase properties and connect with potential buyers. 3. Understand your client's needs. Listen actively and tailor your approach to each client's unique requirements. 4. Stay updated. The real estate market is dynamic. Regularly attend seminars and workshops to keep abreast of the latest trends. 5. Be ethical, maintain transparency, and uphold the highest standards of integrity in all dealings.
I'm not mad. Y'all rate this. Y'all rate this 1 to 10. Are you logged into CapCut on your computer? I am. You do have to log into your CapCut account on the computer. CapCut is free, right? You can't get the pro version. I don't think this requires the pro version, but you can get the pro version if you want. I love CapCut. CapCut is everything, but rate this 1 to 10. I think for what I gave it, for what it is doing, and for me not being in front of the camera, for me not giving it a voiceover, no pictures, nothing, I think this is amazing. So check out the plugin store. They got some sleepers, and some of the sleepers may be some of your favorite apps. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you share this with somebody nice.